Welcome to PackTab. In this tutorial, I am going to show how to review survey response. Whenever a survey response is submitted, reviewer will get notification. For example, I can show one. If I click on the top right corner, the bell icon, I see the list of notification. The top one seems to be a response for review request. So reviewer will get similar type of notification, and in order to continue the review process, first he has to go to the survey list. So I'm going how to do that. I'm going to click on the more tab on bottom right corner, then surveys. So all the available survey list will be shown here. Then for review, we have to click on the review tab on top. Then we will see the list of the surveys that has response list to be reviewed. For example, I am going to click on the response list for the last one, the survey 65.2. So it has loaded all the responses that are waiting for the review process. We have to keep in mind that for a particular response, all the reviewer will be able to review it, but not at the same time. That means if someone else is reviewing this item, if we click on the review button, it will show us a message that someone else is reviewing this right now. So until his review has end, we cannot actually do the review. So in that case, whenever he finish the review, then we will get another notification that this one is available for review. So in that case, we will click on the review button and the response will be loaded. For example, I am going to click on the last one, the review button. So the response is downloading. Depending on the internet speed and the size of the response, it may take some time. So the response is loading. So we can review this response. We can go through all the data that has been inputted by the enumerator, and we can see that there are some fields for the reviewer only, and we can see some of the other buttons to complete the review. At any point, if we think we need the listing data related to this response, we can click on the list icon on top right corner beside the save icon, and it will load the listing books data. We can click on the copy icon beside it, and we can paste it in this form. And also at any point we can update any value, like I am going to update the information collector's name and click on the save icon. So at any point, whenever we first time click on this save icon, the survey response review will be stored under offline. That means we can continue this review process without internet. We can modify it as many times as we want. I am going back and clicking on the offline tab on the bottom. So here we will see the item review. I am going to click on it. So here we see the review, the response review. I am going to click on it. So this one is the last review item that I was reviewing the response actually for the survey 65.2. we can see that the name that I have changed is here present. That means the state where I left and save is present here in the offline version. So I can go through all the data here one by one. I can update any one of them. For example, I'm going to click on the time, and I'm going to click on the field name. I'm using some dummy data here. Then there will be some dedicated reviewer related fields. We have to fill them out. It's like যাচাইয়ের ধরন. I'm selecting some example data here. Select some date, and at this point I can do three things. First one is I can withdraw myself from reviewing process. That means if I click on the withdraw self button, I will simply be removed from the review of this response, so it will not affect anything. it will just simply make sure that other reviewers can review this item. Otherwise I can submit this to admin for final approval, because I think at this point all the review related task is completed. So if the reviewer think that all the review related task is completed, then he has to click on the submit to admin. Only then this response will be moved to for approval or rejection from the admin user. Finally I can complete the review. Actually whatever I have written or updated, I have to submit those. So clicking on the submit review button will do that. So I am just clicking on the submit review. So what it will do, it will submit my review, and I will get the success message, and it will be removed from this list. But when the item was in this list, I can do update the values as many times as we want, and we can even close the app and reopen and continue editing. And finally, with internet connection, we have to submit our review. Then the review will be submitted and it will be available for other reviewers to complete the review. So this is how the survey review actually work. Thanks for watching.